Hello everyone, I am from Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. Myself Akanksha Chauhan. I am second year electrical student. My partner name is Dhanashri Mohite and Prajakta Awad. Our presentation topic is microprocessor and microcontroller. Now first we will discuss about microprocessor. The microprocessor is the CPU part of microcomputer. Microprocessor is CPU part of microcomputer and it is also available as a single integrated circuit. Thus, and main components of microprocessor will have the control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Means two types of microprocessor component. First is control unit means CU and second is arithmetic logic unit means ALU of a microcomputer. Example of microprocessor is 8085. In addition to the microprocessor features, a microcomputer will have additional features. Features of microprocessor. First, ROM, PROM, EEPROM, EEPROM for storing program. Second, RAM for storing data, intermediate result and final results. Third, input device for communication with the outside world. Fourth, input ports for communication with input device. Next, some applications of microprocessor. Now discuss microprocessor application. First, business applications such as desktop publishing. Second is industrial applications such as power plant control. Third is measuring instruments such as multimeter. Fourth is household equipment such as washing machine. Fifth is medical equipment such as blood pressure monitor. Sixth is defense equipment such as light combat aircraft. Seventh is computers such as a personal computer. Next, microcontroller. A microcontroller, small and low cost microcomputer. Microcontroller is small and low cost microcomputer which is designed to perform the specific tasks of embedded systems like displaying microwave information, receiving remote signals, etc. The general microcontroller consists of the processor, the memory, three memories, RAM, ROM, EEPROM. Next is serial ports, peripheral, timers, counters, etc.
Types of microcontroller are divided into various categories based on memory, agriculture bits and instruction sets. Following is the list of their types. First, A bit. Based on bit configuration, the microcontroller is further divided into three categories. First, 8-bit microcontroller, second 60-bit microcontroller and 32 bits microcontroller. Then the first bit is 8-bit microcontroller. The types of the microcontroller is used to execute arithmetic and logic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. For example, Intel 1831 and 1851 are an 8-bit microcontroller. Second, 16-bit microcontroller. This type of microcontroller is used to perform arithmetic and logic operation where higher accuracy and performance is required. For example, Intel 1896 is a 16-bit microcontroller. Third bit, 32-bit microcontroller. These types of the microcontroller is generally used in automatically controller appliances like automatic operation machines, medicals, appliances, etc. B. Memory. Based on the memory configuration, the microcontroller is further divided into two categories. First, external memory microcontroller and second, embedded memory microcontroller.
Microcontroller. These types of microcontroller is designed in such a way that they do not have a program memory on the chip. Hence, it is named as external memory. Microcontrollers, for example, Intel 8031 microcontroller, embed memory microcontroller. These types of microcontrollers is designed in such a way that the microcontrollers has all programs and data memory counter and timers. Interpret 1S20 ports are embedded on the chip. For example, Intel 8051 microcontroller. Application of microcontroller. Microcontrollers are widely used in various different devices such as light sensing and controlling device like LED, temperature sensing and controlling devices like LED, temperature sensing and controlling devices like microwave oven chimneys, fire detection and safety devices like fire alarm, measuring device like voltmeter. Microprocessor and microcontroller. There are two there are diagram of microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor assignment. Microprocessor assignment the function of a central processing unit CPU onto a single integrated circuit IC. Microcontroller considered as a small computer which has a processor and some other components in order to make it computer.